Numpy, set false where anything to the left is false. TLDR, how do I set values in a Numpy array dependent on values in columns to the left of each value? I am running some simulations where I am predicting survival rates, but below is the core of what I'm trying to do. I predict a bunch of discrete point-in-time survivals, represented as true and falses. Each row is a simulation, and each column is a point in time. col0 is the first point in time, col1 is subsequent to that. This will give me output like this. But if something dies in the first point in time, it is dead forever. So my output needs to be. So for a row, I want to set everything false to the right of the first false I find. Is there a way to do this without two nested loops? I'm looking for a better approach but struggling to know if I can do this with built-in functions.
Try not to use pure for loops when working with Numpy arrays. Use instead cumulative product against axis equals 1.
The perfect tool exists. Example.
And
by using np.argware. The above argware returns for each instance of false the row, column. I use those value to set the rest of the row to false, after each false.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.